Getting over here to the spot. If you're new here, like, share, subscribe. Yeah, and hit the notification bell. Easy. All right, we'll show y'all the progress. All right. See, he got that wall up, and he building the front wall right here. Let me walk over here and show y'all this shit. Y'all see? Got the wall up, left side wall up. Left side up, he building the front wall. And we're gonna put 2 windows right here. 2 glass windows. I mean, you know what I mean, see through. You can see in, but you can see out, but you can't see in. Type of shit.
No game for big O.
Homeboy sweeping. Yeah. Thing going up fast. Look at the front wall. Door area. And I'm standing at the bar area right here. And we're gonna put about 3 tables right here in this area here. 3 tables, about 4 chairs. City wall. We might go up. We're gonna go up some more pretty high. This video gonna be a little shorter than the other one. Yeah. Kitchen once again.
No, let's not party about that. Man, give me your money. Let me go and buy the broom. Get them broom.
Alright, y'all. Finna end this video, man. Subscribe.
You have to cut that one and ask that.
You're gonna change it. You want to change the room. Mix. Two mixes today. Supervisor here. Supervisor on deck. And all this video subscribe.
So after all these things that we have been doing, carrying water from this place, that mountain that was still giving 15. I'm gonna give you no 15.
Well, you have to find other means of getting some water, folks, because the water stopped up there.
I'm gonna give her no 15. No, we have used the water a little bit, but
yeah, ain't you no 15,000 worth of water. She charging that 15,000 for use of water. And the water
is not even expensive.
And it ain't even worth it.
What the hell?
So crazy.
She's saying it. I ain't gonna give her no 15.
Yeah, no.
What the hell? Even if we are paying somebody to carry us water and bring it, that we cannot spend up to 16,000. Come on, this water stinks.
Supervisor tired. Taking me a break. Wow, tired. Alright, y'all. Be right back. Alright, got the front wall up. The window going right there. Window going there, the kind you can see out, but can't see in. Told y'all, this nigga works pretty fast. God damn it.
vois le mécanicien travaille jusqu'à quelle heure?
Yeah, running the ass. About to do that last wall on the right side.
Tout travaille comme un esclave.
Make this video short. One more wall to go.
Ici, il me fait pas bien.
Quand tu travailles avec Chinois là, tu ne le fais pas.
Demandez-lui, un jour on a cherché le travail avec qui. Demandez si c'est pas travail.
One more wall to go. I'm gonna holler at y'all. Be right back. Okay, people. Y'all see, we got working on the last wall. We through for the day though. We finished for today. Might start back on Monday, I believe. Got this wall done. Window. As you can see, we got the bathroom area right here. Gonna be the bathroom. The restroom.
Can I give you what you want to give me?
And all right. Let me show y'all from the outside. From the outside, how it look. As you can see, we about built it all up again. Yeah, almost done with the wall. Got to finish that wall right there. We almost done. Well, he worked fast, I told y'all. Yep. But anyway, we finna end this video. So, like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell for all the updates on this project. Y'all take it easy, man. Holler at y'all next time. Peace out.